Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Aeon Watch Foomlight, also known as the Aeon Foomlight smartwatch. And one of its smart features is the music control function. Okay, so it is equipped with a music control or the Bluetooth music control function. Okay, let's check it again. So we have it here with a play, pause, going forward, going backward, and the volume adjustment. So we are going to try this one. We are going to test whether it works with our Android smartphone, and at the same time whether it works with a popular applications such as Spotify, YouTube, and YouTube Music. So if you have any questions regarding the demo for the Foomlight smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Let's check first the support app, the JU Pro application. Let's see if there are some settings that we have to set for the music control function. And as you can see here, we don't have it here. Seems like there's no other settings that we have to set for our Bluetooth music control. We are already paired with the JU Pro and the Bluetooth is already activated. Okay, so next, let's open the music control function. Menu style, we have it here. Okay, then let's open the built-in music player. So let's start with this one. Let's see. Okay, adjust the volume. Deeper meaning, we don't have the title here. Next. Next. Then next. Over the horizon. Go back. Go back. Go back. And stop. Okay, so far it works with the built-in music player of our smartphone. Okay, that is the Samsung Music. Then the next one, let's go with the Spotify app. But before that, let's adjust the volume here. Let's mute to avoid any copyright issues, as well as here on our phone. Okay, let's play. Next, pause, play. Okay, seems like it works. Next song, Silk Sonic. Next. Okay, next. Play, stop. Next. Okay, as you can see here, it works with the Spotify application. If we increase the volume here, we'll be able to hear the sound. Okay, stop. Go forward. Next again. Okay, next. Stop. Okay, so far it works with the Spotify application. How about the YouTube application? Let's see. Let's play this one. Okay, let's wait for the ad to finish. Let's increase the volume. Skip.
The man known to history as Pharaoh Akhenaten.
Next. Next. Okay, so far it works. Stop. Next. Play. Go back. Go back. Increase the volume. Stop. And it works with the YouTube application. Okay, very smooth processing or transition of videos. Next, the YouTube Music. Let's try with this one. We have here. Next. Okay, it works. Next. Stop. Play. Next. Go back. Go back. There's none like you. Go back. Stop. Go back. Go forward. Go forward. Increase the volume. Stop. Decrease the volume. Go forward. Go forward. And stop. Okay, so it works also with the YouTube Music application. So far, everything works for our Watch Foomlight smartwatch, and so far the connection is stable and works with the built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube Music, and YouTube app. So if you have any questions regarding these apps, just drop a comment below for our Bluetooth music control demo. Okay, so the next question is, what if we want to play the music but we want to listen on, or I want to listen to the smartphone? Okay, meaning it uses the smartphone speaker instead of the smartwatch. For example, we have it here. Okay, let's go back to the music control. So it uses the, this one, it uses the speaker of the smartwatch instead of the smartphone. Okay, so it's not that very sound quality, but it's okay. But if you want to use the speaker of your high-end phone, all you have to do is just go to the Bluetooth settings. Have here our Bluetooth settings. Tap on the smartwatch. Disable the audio. Okay, then let's try. Going back to the music control. Where's the music control? Play. And as you can see here, but the volume control is disabled here. If you want to adjust the volume, you have to use the volume control of your smartphone. To go back again, just go again to the Bluetooth section and enable the audio. Next. Next. Okay. So that's it for the Bluetooth music demo of our Watch Foomlight smartwatch on the Android smartphone. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, especially on the Watch Foomlight smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.